Welcome to Costa Maya, Mexico, a popular cruise port destination. We went to the aviary. It's about $12 for adults and $10 for kids at the time that we went, and my toddler was free. You don't need transportation, you don't need to take a taxi or anything like that. You just walk around and you'll see the signs, just follow the signs. It is very hot. But here's the first big bird we encountered to welcome us to the aviary. They give you a little cup of food per person, and they were happy to eat out of our cups, which is really exciting for all of us. I'm going to pause a minute and let you listen to what it sounds like in there. Kind of noisy. As you can see, there are lots and lots of birds. There were lots of different rooms. Each had different types of birds. I'm no bird expert, but it was fun to see all the different kinds. To get to each room, you walked along a long pathway. Here's me. They did land on your shoulder and head. And I feel like the workers were kind of instructing them to do that, but it was still fun and exciting to have them eat right off your finger. So to get to each room, you walk down these long pathways. It's definitely not stroller or wheelchair friendly. You do have to walk, but it was fun to go down these long suspension bridges. A lot of the rooms had lots of different birds. Here's little signs telling you all about them. Here's Grandpa with birds eating out of his hand. And here's my son at the end, a little bit scared about all the birds. You can see in the background there's a pool. The pool is free to swim in, but the lounge chairs you see around cost $15 food purchase by one of the bars or restaurants. So I just set my bag in the sand on the ground and we swam until we were done. We were able to see some Nacho Libre style wrestling at one of the restaurants. Then right across from the aviary, across the street, is Kakow Chocolate Factory, which has delicious handmade chocolates, and I definitely bought some of those. We did buy just a couple of souvenirs. So yes, I would definitely get off the boat in Costa Maya and just explore the port. If you don't want to do anything fancy, you can swim in the pool or eat at one of the restaurants, sample a bit of chocolate, or go to the aviary. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.